Actually, in real life, I didn't recognize you, but I saw you in the internet. You speak English so well. That's why. What do you think? What do you think
I
about
never
it?
think myself, but I prove myself.
Yeah.
Because everybody try to be a better man, but nobody got it.
Yeah, sure. That's correct. I really appreciate you. Especially when you talking about Lionel Messi and Ronaldo.
To the already gone is gone. Hado Ronaldo dan kau.
Yeah.
Mana orang anu stuck sana.
Yeah.
Mana full support na bunda kata lah Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Mana kat Messi teman ngayo suk sikit lep bol gua. Hawo to banam tu membum ga sitra lah ni.
Yeah.
Penhap negara no Messi kam jo kelam.
Yeah, he's so flexible. Look. His body is flexible. Look. So, will you go with me to Chirpi Lom Chenong?
Ngana teu lai mos.
Yeah.
Ani kis. Tang mon Chenong ni ya Lom Chenong lo.
Yeah. So, right now, what's your opinion about Messi and Ronaldo? Right now,
This year is Haaland.
Haaland.
Ngawan dia biar.
Can you compare between Messi and Haaland? Who is the best? Messi and Haaland.
I know because the young generation used to dig and do something because because Haaland is better now.
Yeah.
Ngaman charging payaman.
That's the true sentiments. I like your sentiments. No, I like your voice. You're raising voice about the young generation. I really appreciate you. You are a good man. You know how to judge, no?
How can I judge? But when I say, man, God believe me and God trust me, I used to say, but the word is better.
Yeah. Sure. But
mana kelama teman kelama sikit na friend. Temper porto tu na mana kelama. Tengah por election ini lo santa government. Nga ila ba justu nga ila ba mana bud mana ngasih di sermai ne. Tengah nga ada kuah be yo. Nga pa nga pangun dang yo dang be wo kha nga semen be wo kha kwa. Waroi